Hola a todos, hello everyone, yo soy Viviana and today I will show you why you can learn Spanish, why you can understand Spanish. But I need your help. Can you understand this phrase? Yo tengo 3 lápices. Un lápiz es amarillo, un lápiz es azul y un lápiz es verde. Tomo el lápiz amarillo y dibujo una banana. Tomo el lápiz azul y dibujo una nube. Tomo un lápiz verde y dibujo un corazón. Perhaps understanding this phrase was difficult, but now I'm sure you will understand. Yo tengo 3 lápices. Un lápiz es amarillo. Un lápiz es azul. Y un lápiz es verde. Tomo el lápiz amarillo y dibujo una banana. Tomo el lápiz azul y dibujo una nube. Tomo el lápiz verde y dibujo un corazón. It was easier now? The biggest mistake when you are learning a foreign language is that maybe you are learning just words, but you need the word, concept, grammar, and context too. Then you need words, but you need these words with a context. Well, if this worked for you, I invite you to subscribe and touch the notification bell because I am posting videos every week. On Monday, I post about the grammar. On Thursday, I post about the Spanish in the true life. Then, I hope see you soon. Espero verte pronto y nos vemos la próxima. Adiós.